Even if you rolled a hamster flat and turned it into a roti, it still would never tell you these things. First of all, a hamster isn't just a pet, it's like a tiny living toy that loves to have fun. These little creatures are so small that they rarely have the courage to say no to anything because humans look like giant, scary monsters to them. Second, even though hamsters may look chubby, cute, and peaceful, they are actually quite mischievous from a young age. They love climbing high places, jumping around, doing funny little dances, and running non-stop. In fact, if you put them inside a running ball, they can spend hours rolling all around the house without getting tired. Third, when it comes to food, few animals are as greedy as hamsters. Even after they're full, they often keep eating and stuffing food into their cheek pouches until they look absolutely ridiculous. And the funniest thing of all, when it comes to riding, hamsters might even put humans to shame. Whether it's running on wheels or zooming around in toy vehicles, these tiny speedsters act like they were born to drive. And don't forget to subscribe before you go.